हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेडिकल ट्यूबर में आप सभी का स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, तो मैं आज वीडियो लेके आया हूँ लैब असिस्टेंट ग्रेड 2 जो रेलवे एग्ज़ाम लिया हुआ था फ्रेंड्स, जो 19 जुलाई 2019 को 9 बजे से लेके 10:30 बजे तक था फ्रेंड्स। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं फ्रेंड्स कि क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आए थे। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है और फ्रेंड इसका आंसर भी नीचे दिया हुआ है, जो कलर में दिया हुआ है ग्रीन कलर पे। और फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो का पीडीएफ आपको कहाँ से मिलेगा, कैसे मिलेगा, ये सारा मैं आपको बताऊंगा फ्रेंड्स वीडियो के अंत में। तो वीडियो को बिना स्किप किए देखें और वीडियो को अगर पसंद आता है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लीजिए और बेल बटन को दबा लीजिए ताकि आने वाले वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक आसानी तक पहुँच सके। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हेन द फोर्स एक्ट अपोजिट्स टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट देन द वर्क डन इज। राइट आंसर निगेटिव। Question number second, which of the following is a reason for the stars appearing twinkling? Right answer, reflections by atmosphere. Question number third, which of the following is the correct formula for Snell's law? Right answer, sin I oblique sin R equal constant. Next, question number 4, what is the SI unit of luminous intensity? Right answer, candela. Next question, what is the symbol of the element arsenic? Arsenic. Right answer, As. Which of the following explains is the phenomenon of scattering of light by the particles of dust and smoke in the air? Right answer, Tyndall effect. Next question, the atomic number is total number of present in the nucleus of an atom. Right answer, protons. Question number 8, which of the following helps in the absorptions and upward movements of water and minerals in plants? Right answer, transpirations. Next question, which of the following type of radiations causes cancer? Right answer, UV rays. Next, which is helpful is regulate the exit of food from the stomach into the small intestine? Right answer, sphincter muscle. Next question, in a certain code language, if bench is the coded GDPJE, then how is the FAULT coded in that language? Right answer, CHW VN. Next question, find the next number in the series 10, 15, 25, 45, 85. Right answer, 165. Next questions, in the questions relationship between different element in shown in the statements. This statement is the followed by the three conclusion. Assume the given statement to be true and choose the answer from the given option statements. Right answer, only second. Next questions, a man walked 10 km in the south direction. He takes a right turn and walk 5 km and takes another right turn to walk 6 km to finally takes another right turn and walk 5 km to reach the distance. In which direction is the from the starting points? Right answer, south. On dividing a number by 525, we get 74 as reminder. On dividing the same number by 75, what will be the remainder? Right answer, 74. Next questions, two bells ring at intervals of 65 seconds and 76 seconds. If they both ride at 10 o'clock in the morning together, after how many seconds will they ring together again? Right answer, 49, 40. Next question, the ratio of number of girls to boys in a school of 50-40 students in 15:57, how many more girls should be admitted to make the ratio 1:1? Right answer, 90. 70-50 boys and 60-50 girls are examined in a test. 42% of the boys and 36% of the girls pass the test. The percentage of the total who failed is? Right answer, 60.25. Right answer. A train passes a station platform in the 71 seconds and a man standing on the platform in 55 seconds. If the speed of the train 29 meter per second, what is the length of the platform in meters? Right answer 464 meters. By a selling of CPO rate 8625, a man makes a profit of 15%. At what price should we sell into to make a profit 25%? Right answer 93.75 rupees. Which country won the 17th AFC Football Asian Cup 2019? Right answer Qatar. The Forest Research Institute is situated in which of the following places? Right answer Dehradun. Next questions, which one of the following lakes is also called the only floating lakes? Right answer Loktak Lake. Who is the founder of Atmiya Sabha? Right answer Ram Mohan Rai. Thang Ta is the material art from the which of the following states? Right answer Manipur. Which paper should be printed with the names of the candidates and symbol allotted to the each of the candidates in the election process? Right answer ballot paper. The member of legislative assembly in Delhi are right answer directly elected by the people. Which among the following is the tax revenue? Right answer income tax. Occurs when sunlight acts on vehicle pollutants. Right answer photochemical smog. Which of the following is a national organization monitoring the doping control programming is in sport in India? National Anti-Doping Agency. What is the known as the study of bones? Right answer osteology. What is the membrane that lines the heart? Right answer pericardium. Where is the apex of the heart situated? Right answer left fifth intercostal space. Which lung has three lobes? Answer right. What is the air in the pleural cavity called? Right answer pneumothorax. Next, which organ is the present in the right hypochondrium? Right answer liver. What is the important factor regarding automation over manual? Right answer accuracy. How is protein free filtrates prepared? Right answer add tungstic acids. What is the main constituents of Benedict solution? Right answer copper sulfate. Normal range of serum albumin is 3.5 to 5.5 grams per deciliter. Which analyzer performs various biochemical determinations? Right answer fully automated clinical chemistry analyzer. Which of the following organ fails when serum creatinine is 10 mg per deciliter? Right answer kidney. Which of the following condition indicates increase in alkaline phosphate? Right answer obstructive jaundice. The epsilometer is the sensitivity test to measures. Right answer antibiotic sensitivity. What is the temperature of water bath in coagulation lab? Right answer 37 centigrades. What is the citrate blood ratio for ESR? 1:4. What is the color used to label poisonous chemicals? Right answer. Friends, this question is the drop for evaluation due to multiple answer के. तो इसे ड्रॉप कर दिया गया है. हाउ इज डिस्टिल्ड वाटर प्रिपेयर्ड? राइट आंसर बॉइलिंग एंड कूलिंग. विच इज द ड्यूरेबल मटेरियल यूज इन हीट रेजिस्टेंस ग्लासवेयर? राइट आंसर बोरोसिलिकेट. माइक्रोग्राम इज द यूनिट ऑफ डिस्क्राइब? राइट आंसर वेट. विच reagent is the not routinely used to preserve tissue in a lifelike manner? Right answer formic acids. Which piece is histology equipment is not temperature depends? Right answer microtome. Which test cannot be performed on a serum sample? Right answer clotting factor. Which one of the following is an indicator? Right answer litmus. What are the recent developments in blood banks? Right answer automation. Next questions, which components is reduced in dengue? राइट आंसर प्लेटलेट्स. प्लेटलेट्स कम हो जाता है फ्रेंड्स डेंगू की बीमारी पे. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज प्रेजेंट इन क्रियोप्रेसिपिटेट क्रायोप्रेसिपिटेट. राइट आंसर F8. What is the accreditation body for hospitals? Right answer NABH. Next, what is the method of screening transfusion transmitted infections? Right answer ELISA. What are the hepatitis virus screened in donor bloods? Right answer B and C. What is the temperature at which platelets are stored? Right answer 20 to 24. Next questions, how is blood transported from camps? Right answer transport containers. What is the minor compatibility testing? Donor serum and patient's cell. What type of cross match is preferred? Right answer Kumbh. What is the single donor platelets? Right answer apheresis platelet. Next questions, which immunoglobulin is involved in the delayed hemolytic reactions? Right answer IgG. What is PCV? Percentage of RBC in whole bloods. What is the retention period in years for bone marrow records? Right answer 2:5 ratio. 2:5. Next questions, what is the ratio of the anticoagulant to blood for coagulation studies? Right answer 1:9. What factor is the to be estimated for hemophilia B? Factor 9 and hemophilia A factor 8. How does is the RBC appears in thalassemia? Right answer microcytic hypochromic. Next question, what is the technician accepted to wear while entering hospital? Right answer ID. The D antigen is present in? Right answer RBC. Which of the following method is used to detect the blood groups? Right answer both 1 and 2, slide method and tube method. Cannot be a reason for transfusion reactions. Right answer compatible bloods. How are laboratory technicians involved in patient's care? Right answer by providing accurate reports. What is an anticoagulant used for complete blood counts? Right answer tube EDTA. What is the test done to monitor oral anticoagulant therapy? This question is dropped for evaluation due to multiple answer K. How is platinum loop sterilized? Right answer dry heat. Next questions, what is the media used for primary plating to culture enteric organism? Right answer McConkey agar. And friends, last number 4, लोवेनस्टाइन जेनसेन मीडियम. यह ट्यूबरकुलोसिस के लिए उपयोग किया जाता है उसके कॉलोनी को ग्रोथ करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस, व्हाट इज द मीडिया यूज फॉर प्राइमरी प्लांटिंग टू कल्चर ट्यूबरकल बेसिलाई? राइट आंसर लोवेनस्टाइन जेनसेन मीडियम. विच पैरासाइट कॉज हाइड्रेटेड cyst? Right answer dog tapeworm. Next question, cell involved in type I hypersensitive reaction? Right answer mast cell. Which one of the following is not a fungi. Right answer Clostridium tetani. Viral disinfectants includes, right answer, hypochlorite solution and glutaraldehyde, both A and B, अर्थात एक और दो दोनों सही है. Commonly used disinfectants in a clinical laboratory includes all of the above, phenolic, hypochlorite and alcohol. Which one of the following is the principle of an autoclave? Right answer steam under pressure. Which one of the following is used for fumigation in microbiology laboratory? Right answer formaldehyde. Question number 90. Which one of the following is a synthetic dye? Right answer eosin. What is the hematoxylin used for pap smear? Right answer Harris. What to be avoided to take pap smear? Right answer. Friends, this question dropped for evaluation due to multiple answer K. Next questions. Which of the following test detects bile salt? Right answer has. Next questions. A biopsy is excision of representative tissue sample. Next questions. The correct sequence during tissues processing. Right answer dehydration, clearing and infiltration. Next questions. What is the normal range systolic blood pressure in mm of mercury Hg in a adult? Right answer 100 to 120 systolic and diastolic 70 to 80. Which one of the following gives color to the faces? Right answer stercobilinogen. Next question. What is the normal glomerular filtrate rate? तो फ्रेंड्स इसका आंसर ओरिजिनल आंसर के 125 ml एंड रिवाइज्ड आंसर के 100 ml पर मिनट्स आया हुआ है. फ्रेंड्स करेक्ट जो आंसर है वो फर्स्ट नंबर आया है, किंतु हम लोग जो बुक में पढ़े हैं 124 ml प्रति मिनट दिया हुआ है फ्रेंड्स, किंतु इसमें अभी 100 शो हो रहा है. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 99. व्हाट इज द हार्मोन्स दैट इंक्रीज्ड इन द अर्ली प्रेगनेंसी? राइट आंसर बेटा ह्यूमन क्रोनिक गोनाडोट्रोफिक हार्मोन, जिसको HCG हार्मोन्स भी कहा जाता है. वेयर इज द एसिटाइल कोलिन प्रेजेंट? राइट आंसर न्यूरोमस्कुलर जंक्शन. तो इस तरीके से फ्रेंड्स मेरे 100 क्वेश्चन से ही कंप्लीट होते हैं. और आपको इसका PDF कैसे मिलेगा, चलिए आपको मैं बता देता हूं. तो इसके लिए आपको जाना पड़ेगा अपने ब्राउज़र पे फ्रेंड्स. तो फ्रेंड्स आपको कर लेना है www.medicaltubers.blogspot.com. यहाँ ओपन होने के बाद आपके यहाँ डाउनलोड के सेक्शन पे क्लिक करना है. क्लिक करने के बाद फ्रेंड्स यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ आपके सामने शो हो रहा है रेलवे पैरामेडिकल फाइनल आंसर के डाउनलोड क्लिक हियर 2019. आप इसको क्लिक करते हैं फ्रेंड्स, तो आपको अलग ही एक सेक्शन पे चले जाते हैं. एक नया टैब ओपन होगा फ्रेंड्स. तो आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं नया टैब ओपन हो रहा है. ये ओपन होने के बाद फ्रेंड्स आपको ये ओपन हो जाएगा. तो ओपन होने के बाद यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं लैब असिस्टेंट लिखा हुआ है. लैब असिस्टेंट के ऊपर आपको क्लिक कर लेना है. क्लिक करने के बाद फ्रेंड्स आपको यह PDF ओपन हो जाएगा. आसानी से आप इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. तो उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और यह PDF का लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पर भी दे दूँगा, आप वहाँ से जाके डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. हैव ए गुड डे.